If you want to know how to sell more t-shirts, then you're in the right place, because I'm going to share 3 free ways for you to find best-selling t-shirt designs, whether that's selling on Etsy or Amazon or anywhere else. These tips apply to all of the mediums of selling. So let's get started with tip number 1. My first tip for finding best-selling shirts is to get out and look at physical products. Too often, people are staying at home in front of the screen and researching, and you're probably coming up with a lot of results that are very similar. And there's nothing wrong with that, but I think we forget that people are actually getting out, going to stores, and buying physical products. Now, you're going to want to try to find the product that is running low. This is the key. You're going to go into a department store, you're going to find a rack, or you're going to find the shelf with the amount of t-shirts that is running pretty slim, maybe 1, 2, maybe 3 left. There could be best-selling designs where the shop is restocking them like crazy and doing a really good job, but if you're smart about when you get out and go to the store at peak times where people are going to buy something, you are going to find some trends of certain shirts that are always selling out. Some examples of this could be Urban Outfitters and H&M or PacSun, and honestly, even superstores like Target and Walmart have some pretty great graphic tees now. Now, I don't know where you are in the world, so you may be looking at this and thinking, I have no idea what PacSun is, but just take this concept and attach it to whatever those stores look like where you are in your region. Go in and try to find the best-selling designs, which are the ones that are clearly the ones they have the least amount of. The next tip for finding best-selling shirts is to utilize Pinterest. Now, you may have heard this tip before and thought, nah, that's really for like a different kind of inspiration or for like DIY projects and stuff. People heavily overlook the amount of graphic design that's happening on Pinterest. You can actually just search a t-shirt in a specific niche and see what results come up. Now, obviously, the ones that are performing the best are there at the top of the fold. Then you can start to save those designs to your own mood board and then start taking elements from each one of those designs again to come up with your own specific design. Now, while you're on Pinterest, don't forget to check out what we're doing on the Kittl Pinterest, and don't forget to follow, because we're uploading new designs every single day, especially t-shirts, so you can easily save those to your own mood board and then use them for later. And if you find a design that you like a lot, simply just open up Kittl and customize that template to be your own design. It's super easy, and the link is in the description for you to try out. Now it's time for the last method for finding best-selling shirts, and it's simply being perceptive. Similar to the first tip about getting out and going to stores to look at t-shirts, all you're going to do with this tip is just be perceptive when you're out and about and look and notice at what people are actually wearing. You're going to want to take a mental log of the designs that you saw that way. Maybe that's starting a note in your phone or something like that, and you're going to ask yourself things like, how many floral designs did I see today? Was the majority of shirts large back prints, or were they on the front? Start to pick up on these things when you're out and about in the actual world, because while spending hours on a search tool in your browser can lead to some pretty great data, the best and easiest data available to you is actually just getting out and seeing what people are wearing in front of you. Now, obviously, things like age and other demographics come into this, and again, I don't know where you are, so you're going to want to maybe tweak this strategy so that you can target your specific audience. Now, if you're having trouble designing these t-shirts, you're going to use Kittl now to do it. We have everything from world-class t-shirt templates, we have textures, we have illustrations, we have our own Kittl AI, which can come up with endless graphics and illustrations for your t-shirt designs. And of course, we have the Kittl YouTube channel for you to learn how to become a master at Kittl. So don't forget to subscribe, check out the other tutorials we have right now. And we also have the Discord with tons of best sellers on Amazon and Etsy sharing their tips on how to get sales. All of this can be found down in the description. You can sign up to try Kittl for free using that first link. So let me know your thoughts down in the comments. Of course, don't forget to subscribe. We thank you so much for watching, and we will see you in the next video.